Everybody. In this tutorial, I would like to explain how we can set the orders processor. The orders processor is the monitor that is in charge of the automation. So if you would like to work with auto orders, or if you would like your manual orders to have an automatic update of the tracking number, 3 messages sent to the buyers, and a feedback left to the buyer, then this is what you'll be needing to add. So how do you go here? You go to monitors and then you go to the last tab, orders processor. When you enter, you'll see that it's not working. As you can see, monitor is not working. And only after you add and you set it, you'll be able to click start monitor and it will be working. So in order for me to make it work, I need to add my Amazon account, my purchase account. I click here, add purchase account, and now I need to give in all the details. These are pre-filled, but let's do it from the beginning. So the account email has to be a Gmail only. So when you go to your Amazon account, login and security, if you notice that the email you are registering with is not a Gmail, you must edit it here and change it to a Gmail one. Just open a Gmail account specific for this purpose. The reason is because we can only get the verification emails and the tracking number emails only from Gmail at the moment. That's why it must be a Gmail email. So I copy the email, and please do it this way so you make sure you don't enter an email with some mistakes or the password with mistakes. So whatever you can copy directly from your Amazon account, just copy. I update the password. And now I need to take the zip code. The zip code and the account phone number I'm going to take from the billing address. You go to your account and payment options right here. And here you'll see the credit cards that you've connected to your Amazon account. Please note that you must take the details of the first credit card. That's the main billing address you have. So this is my first one. I click here and I see the details and my address. So I take the first 5 digits of the zip code. It's highly recommended that the address here will be your own address so that if your Amazon account is blocked, you will be able to call Amazon and identify yourself. They'll ask you for your billing address. Now I've changed my real billing address to hide my own personal information, but make sure it's yours. So you take only 5 digits of the zip code and you paste it here. And then you need to copy the phone. Here is the phone. You need to choose the country of the account of the purchase account that you're adding now. Now we're adding an Amazon account, Amazon.com, so that's what I choose. As you can see at the moment, we support Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.de, and very soon Banggood will be active as well. And the account full name you'll find again under your account and login and security. That's the full name of the account. The reason why we ask all these details is because when our bot is trying to connect to your Amazon account, Amazon will be asking security questions to verify that that's really you who's trying to access the account, and our bot will be taking this information directly from here. You save the changes. You'll be asked if you're sure that everything is correct, and you add the account. Now you'll be able to see that I have the account added here. Next thing I will be asked to do is to connect my Gmail account. I'm connecting the same Gmail account that I'm logging into Amazon with. Why are we connecting the Gmail account? Because your verification codes are getting to the Gmail account, as I explained, and your tracking numbers are getting there, and that's where our system takes all this information from. So if you're afraid a bit about your personal information, we really encourage you to just open designated account just for that. Anyway, Amazon is sending so many emails and junk, so you would want it not to be on your own personal account. Now I'll be asked to choose the account I'm connecting. So let's edit. Oops. Here we go. Password. And I'll be asked to give permissions to AutoDS to access my account. As you can see, AutoDsTools wants to access your account. You allow. You don't need to, again, fear. All we do is collect all the emails from Amazon and taking what we need in order for your automation to work properly. Now I've added the Gmail account. And as you can see, you also need to add here, this has already been added before, you need to add your credit card details. That again is something that you take from your billing address. Why do we need again the credit card details? Notice that all the automation is only happening at the moment from a gift card balance. We are not using your credit card to fulfill, to place the orders. But again, Amazon is asking, when we try to log into your account and place the order, they might ask, what is the last four digit of the credit card ending with, of the credit card on the account? Or what's the expiration date of the credit card in your account? So you'll have to enter these details. Four last digits of the credit card, expiration date, okay? To add a card, you click here, last four digits, expiration month and expiration year, and save the changes. And as you can see, I already have it. Now to the right-hand side, what can you set here? So again, to be able to make the changes, just click here on the pencil icon and the page will be available for editing. So auto order. If I check this like it's checked here, it means that I tell our bot automatically when you register, when an order comes in from eBay and it was registered in 2 minutes in AutoDS, please go ahead and place it immediately. So each order coming in will be automatically be placed on Amazon. This is what we highly recommend to work with, since it will prevent you from buying items when they're expensive already, from in between scans, price raise. If I won't click this, then my orders will go into a standby mode and will wait for me to either send them automatically, meaning clicking the standby button, and then our bot will be performing it for you. So that will be an automatic order still, but partially with your control. Or that I'll be able to just do it manually, go myself to Amazon, order the item, and then I'll be able to copy paste the Amazon order ID, and the rest will happen alone if I have set the Amazon account and the Gmail, and I have access to the order processor. It means that 3 messages will be sent to the customer. Feedback will be given to the customer, and when a tracking number is being updated on Amazon, it will also be updated automatically on eBay. Okay, bundle add-on is no longer really relevant, as Amazon.com at least have no longer have the ability to split orders into different addresses. However, as far as I know, till today, August 9, you can still do that in Amazon Germany only. So in Amazon Germany, if you check this box, true to this video, the time this video has been recorded, August 2018, you'll be able, our bot will be able to take several orders of add-on items, wait for a 25 order cart, and then order them all together, splitting the addresses between the buyers. Order only Prime, you can tell the bot whether to just order Prime only, or also if you uncheck that, it will order non-Prime items. It all depends on how you work. Heap Shipper. We have integration with Heap Shipper. If you check this, it means that orders that are through Heap Shipper shipping policy that have been set on your account will be shipped to the Heap Shipper address in New York. And the order will only be getting the international tracking number and not the domestic tracking number from Amazon. Maximum product price per order. What is the maximum price you allow our bot to place an order for you on Amazon? Maybe over $100. You prefer to check the order yourself and place it manually. So orders that over $100 in this case will fail for the reason of maximum. They are over the maximum price set. Maximum lose amount. What is the maximum amount you're willing to lose if a price jumped? As you may know, our system scans the prices from Amazon every 1 hour, and there can only always be cases where in between these scans there was a price raise, and then maybe the item is more expensive, and you can set here what is the loss that you're willing to take, but still have the order placed automatically for you. So in this case, if the loss is $1, the order will still be placed. If the loss is over $1, if it's 2 or 3, the order will fail for this reason. Set order as shipped. You can choose when to set the order as shipped on eBay, either after the tracking is updated or immediately after the purchase. This is more recommended after tracking is updated. Gift message. What you like your customers to see in the gift message. This is concerning Amazon, and you can change the text here, and that's what they'll see when in the gift receipt where the price is hidden. Set on track for Amazon shipping carrier. When you check this one, it means that every time the shipping carrier is Amazon, our bot will mark on eBay as if the carrier is on track. On track is a carrier that is supported by eBay and counts in towards your bestseller rank on eBay. Messages to buyers. Here you can set the 3 messages that can be sent automatically to your buyers, the feedback message, and when is it sent. So if I click here, after order success message, I can decide what will be the title, and then I can start changing the default that I have here to work with what you want to do, with how you manage your customer service. So I can say dear and first name of the buyer. Okay, it will automatically fill in the name of the buyer from this order, the item title, and you can add whatever it is that you want here from these tags. Then you can do the same for tracking number update message. As you can see, as a default, it's deactivated, it's empty. When you don't want a message to be sent, it will be just delete it and put space even here in the body of the message. And then a thank you message, the last message that is sent to the customers after the item has already been received. Next thing you can do is the feedback message. What do you want? What kind of feedback you want to leave for your buyers? And you need to set when do you want the last message, this one, the thank you message, to be sent to the customers. So let's say if you work with Prime products, 7 days are a really good time because in 2 to 3 days the customer will get the item, and then 3-4 more days he had time to actually test the product and see if he likes the product and he didn't open a return or anything, and then he'll get this last message asking for feedback. And for international orders, you will have automatically 31 days. Okay, so any orders that are sent through HipShipper or are sent through eBay Global Shipping Program, only after 31 days they'll be their status will change to completed, and the last message, this one, the thank you message to request for feedback, will be sent. You save the changes and you're all set. Notifications. Notifications are the notifications you want to get from AutoDS when an order succeed, fails, when a tracking number is updated, and you can choose what you want to have here. Maybe you want to have all 3. Maybe you're only concerned when an order is failed, so you only check this one, and then you type in the email that you want to get the notifications to. Okay, and after you set that, you save the changes and you're done. Next thing that you can do here is add a cashback site. At the moment, we support Be Frugal and Top Cashback. You need to put the username, which is the email you log in to this site with, and the password. And what our bot will do is before it will go to Amazon, it will first visit on the site that you asked, and then go and place the order, and this way you'll get the cashback from this site if the item was really relevant to the category offered on these websites. After you're done, you click the V here, you save the changes, and you start the monitor. Start monitor, you save the changes, and you're all done. If you want to buy auto orders credits, you want to have automation of automatic orders, you also need to go here to the orders page and purchase credits. Each credit is worth of one auto order. And you have an option to buy packages. So auto order credits remaining, buy credits, and you can choose how many you want and you'll be directed to PayPal. And once you bought them, you'll have the credits here, and every time an order will be performed, it will start going down, and you can see also here in the counter how many auto orders were made. So remember, it's not enough to only set the monitor, the order processor, you also need to buy the credits. I hope this was clear. Please, if you have any more questions, check our help center right here, and if still something is unclear, we are always available for you at the support chat right here. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.